Hi, my amazing mommies in the house. Are you looking for cute and protective hairstyle for your child? If so, you are at the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I create this natural protective hairstyle for my child. If you are looking for something natural but beautiful, you have to stay tuned. Watch to the end. After I wash my kids' hair, this is how I always leave their hair to. The next day is when I always make their hair. So the conditioner I'm using today, I'm going to be using coconut hair conditioner. You can do the one you have in your possession. And I'm going to be adding up with banana hair conditioner. After applying this, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a comb. Make sure everything is well detangled. Then before we start the pattern, I am going to section it straight first. The reason I'm doing this is because of the people who don't know how to do zigzag part. So the right way to do it is by sectioning it straight first, then before you start doing the zigzag. Just watch and see how I'm doing it. This is the edge control I am using. I'm just going ahead and going to clear the part before we start the main part. Please, as you listen to me, just wash my hand and see how I'm doing it. If for example you are watching it, you are not getting it, you can always pause the video, move it back and replay it to get it very well. Now we are done with the straightening part. You see the way I'm taking my comb, I'm going to take from this part and I'm going to bend my comb to the other side. I'm still going to take from this part. You see how I'm doing it now, just like so. Then I take it down again to take from the back side. Then I will go again and take from the upper side. I'm just going to go ahead like so, as if I'm writing W or M or V. I think these three letters, three of them, they go well. So I'm just going to repeat the process until I get to the other side.
Break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town.
So this is how it turned out to be, and after this I'm just going to clear the part before I'll maintain it. I recommend you do it first when you are sectioning the part. Don't worry if the part is straight or not, just get the cutting first, then later you can just add your edge control and you start picking out, you start maintaining the part. Another thing you should not forget, before you start maintaining the other part, the other side, you have to pack the first side first, like I just did now, so that when I'm maintaining this side, that one will not interrupt what I'm doing here, so that it will be easy for you to work. I hope you understand how I explained it. Like what I'm trying to say is, before I start doing this back right now, what I'm doing now, I pack the upper one, so that when I'm doing it, any hair from that side will not enter this one. So it will be very easy for me to do. Now, I first comb in the white comb. After that, I'm going to comb it with tea comb, which is the smaller part, just to brush it. And after that, I'm going to finish it with hairbrush. Now, it's time to start sectioning the front. I'm going to be forming a star in the middle of her hair because that is the style she asked for. So like I did with the back, I'm going to go ahead and just cut it round straight first before I repeat the same process, but how I did the back side. That's how I'm still going to do here. Just keep watching and see how I did it. So now, just like I did with the other side, I made the part straight before I start taking from here to the other side. Just keep watching and see. But this one, because it's in the middle, I'm not going to cut it. I'm not going to put my comb deep just the way I did with the back, because the curve we're going to add here is not going to be wide and not going to be deep like the back side. Just keep watching and see how I did it. If it's your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also comment, tell me what you think, or if there's any hairstyle you want me to create, let me know and I will be glad to do that. My name is Susan. I'm a mom of 4 girls, and you are watching the Crown Star. In this channel, what I do mostly is creating my kids' hair. I also make adult hair, but mostly it's kids' hair I am making here. And also, we also show a product that you can use for your child hair to prevent the hair from damage, and for hair growth and everything we do all here. So please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we drop a new video. And to our returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support our channel. We appreciate you all. Please like this video, share to your friends and family. Now you see that is the same way, you see the same process that I use at the back. So when I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and use rubber band to hold it. So before I will start with the other part.
Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crime stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crime stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. Every shadow turns to light. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. Break me down.
Each packing I packed, I'm going to be twisting each one into 3. But there is something I'm going to do with the back. I will explain it to you when we get there. Just keep watching till we get there.
Chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. Every shadow turns to light. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I rule my way. Every step a dance, every word a play. Little crown stars, my flow's the day. I shine my own, I won't obey. They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town.
Now we are done with the front. Just take a look before we go to the back. See how it is? It's not beautiful. This is a natural hair, so there's nothing attached to it. But the back, because I packed the back very big, and the length will not be as the front. You know, the bigger you pack the hair, the smaller the length will be. So that is why I am adding this hair to it. I just want something to just make it look more kind of, it's artificial, but it's natural. But I'm not going to be twisting this back into 3. I'm going to twist it more than that. Just keep watching and see how I keep just adding little to it. You know, I'll add it and twist it just to make the length a little bit longer, because I packed the back 1. You know, I supposed to pack it 2, but I just, because of the zigzag, I decided to just make it and make it fast. And yeah, you know, it's a quick hairstyle, and it also is a protective hairstyle. You see how it looks now? It looks also the same because of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a ribbon to it to beautify it. And at the back there, I'm going to put this hair packer. It's a duck hair packer. I'm going to just add it to it. Then I'm going to put just a little bit pin to beautify it. I would have put bead, but because she's going to school, she said it's they always play with her hair when she go to school, so I should not be putting bead on her hair. So the only when I will be adding bead to her hair is when she's not going to school. Maybe they have long holiday, that's when I'll be making her hair with bead. If not, I would have loved to add bead to the hair. That is why I'm just adding paint to it. But if you are the type that like bead, I recommend you add bead to it. It's so going to be unique and beautiful. It's still going to be protected, whichever way is a protective hairstyle. So this is the end of this video, and I hope you like this hairstyle and she's happy also, and the hair is not painful at all. And I hope you learn this hairstyle, and if you do, I want to know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time, and I appreciate your support. And until then, stay safe and remain blessed. Bye for now, and once again, thanks for your time. My name is Susan, and you just watched the Crown Styles.